Morning, everyone. Okay. So I hope all of you have finished the quiz. See, I'll just share my screen. I'll just show you that report. 1 second. Those who have not finished it, just do it because some what it is a lesson. Okay, so you have to. I'll just share my screen and show you the report. Just hold on 1 second. Yeah, so you can see my screen, right? So here, this is the report that I get for you guys. Now, see this Balaji. It's high score. Wherever it says 100%, it is okay. But see, some of you have not completed. It shows 0%. For example, Rajak Abdul 736 at Gmail. For some of you, it's showing 0%. See over here, another Muthu Pandi, another person, VP Bharat. That is because you might have missed out on answering one question. Even if you miss out one question, it will show as not completed only. So if you have not completed, please complete it immediately because your cameo attendance will be based only on this quiz. Puriyadama, are you guys able to follow? Those who just joined, if you have finished the quiz, okay, please make sure you attend all the questions. Okay. If you do not attend all the questions, it will show as not completed in my report. Are you guys able to understand what I'm saying? Okay. Fine. Okay, next. Were you able to understand the content in terms of the video, in terms of, tell me. Hmm, 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 hmm. Which question is this? You can see, no? Check it. First question. Just 1 second. Yes. No, I'm just. You can see my screen, right? Can't see. Yeah, 1 second. I don't know. Just 1 second. Okay, now tell me which question in sentence completion. Huh? First question is this is chal. Just 1 second. 1 second. It is in the video or it is in the quiz? The video. Yeah. Okay. 1 second. Play the video. Hmm. 1 second. Just hold on. I'll go to that question. Yeah, okay, send it to me. Not this. Nice. Ah, this one. This one, right? Hello. In my screen also it is the same question. Governor refused to give the criminal dash. He faces execution tomorrow morning. Okay. So what is the problem with that? See, actually, what has happened? Hmm, I'll explain it to you. It's quite simple. First of all, you have to understand the sentence. Okay. Now, in the sentence, what does the first part before the semicolon? What does it say? The governor refused to give this guy something. This we know there is a governor. We know there is a criminal. Okay. Now he faces execution tomorrow morning. That means he refers to the criminal, obviously. Correct? Yeah. So execution means what? Death. Correct? So even though this guy has done some crime, the governor is not willing to excuse this fellow from the crime. He is anyhow going to go ahead with the death penalty. That is what it means. Correct? So the first part, he refused to give him what? Excuse. He refused to excuse him. He refused to pardon him. Okay. So in this case, you are telling we don't know the meaning of certain words. Okay. Now let us go one by one. Okay. First one says trial. In a trial, you can a person can be sentenced to death or he can be made free. Correct? What is the outcome of a trial? Outcome of a trial can be positive or negative. But in our blank, we have to we have to insert something which is equal to excuse or pardon. So obviously trial won't come. Correct? What is an appeal? One criminal can appeal to a judge saying, please pardon me. Correct? Ah? But again, the outcome can be positive or negative. But here the governor has already decided to execute him. Correct? So that also cannot be possible in the blank. Similarly, third one, a sentence. Sentence means death. He refused to give the criminal a sentence of death. Correct? So that is also not possible because he is giving him the death sentence. And for that hearing in a hearing also there can be a positive outcome or a negative outcome. So that is also not possible. Correct? Ah? So answer has to be reprieve. Huh. So you go ahead with elimination method. If you don't know the meaning of one particular word, you try elimination. Elimination. One second. Some more people are joining. Okay. See, for Cameo attendance, you guys please fill that form, that Google form which I sent. Plus, you need to finish all the quizzes. So after comparison only, we'll be putting attendance in Cameo, and Cameo attendance will be marked only on Saturdays. Ah, chalo. Yes, Jitesh, tell me. கொடுத்துட்டேனே. இல்லை, he has joined. அப்போ இப்போதான் அலோவ் பண்ணேன், வந்தாச்சு உள்ள. சரி, do you guys have any other doubts in the videos or quizzes? quiz do you want to discuss one each question in the quiz, or were you guys able to do? If you want to discuss, I can discuss. Can do. It is possible. Why not? I can go through. Not a problem. I have enabled it, yeah. No, 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 no. I have enabled it. Wait, hold on. Okay. One second. Mm, No, I have allowed student review. I have allowed you to try a question again. Okay, so return and attempt the quiz once more. No, what is that? Mm, mm. See, these are the options I have given. I have allowed you 10 maximum attempts. I have given student review possibility. I have given you an option to try question again. These are the options available for me. I don't know, maybe something wrong with Moodle. Some people are able to view. In another class also same thing happened to me. See, what I would request you guys to do is when you view the video, open it in YouTube, okay? And copy that link and keep it separately because all the videos are available in YouTube. If you want only for these two, I will send you the links again in WhatsApp. Okay, right. I will immediately send it to you uh, before we finish this class. Any other questions, doubts? This is only sentence errors and sentence completion. Yeah, that's all, right? Sentence errors and sentence completion links will be sent to you in WhatsApp. I'll send it to you. Any other questions, doubts? All clear? ஆமாம்பா அது வந்து அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் இல்லை அது குவிஸ் கம்ப்ளீஷன்ல. ம் அதான் எனக்கும் புரியலப்பா. இப்போதான் வந்து நான் எனேபிள் பண்ணி தான் வச்சிருக்கேன். ஐ டோன்ட் நோ வை இட் இஸ் ஷோயிங் லைக் தட். எனக்கே புரியல. நான் 10 அட்டெம்ப்ட்ஸ் அலோவ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஐ டோன்ட் நோ வை இட் இஸ் ஷோயிங் லைக் தட். பட் எனிவேஸ் இண்டிவிஜுவல் கொஷின் மார்க்ஸ் எல்லாம் வருது. தட் இஸ் நாட் அ ப்ராப்ளம். சரி, நீங்கள் அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு தடவை அட்டன் பண்ணியிருந்தா போதும். நாட் அ ப்ராப்ளம். சரியா? ஓகே. எனி அதர் கொஷின்ஸ், டவுட்ஸ்? ஆல் ஆல் கிளியரா? Sure, Ipina, those links will be sent to you in WhatsApp for those two videos that you saw today. Next week we'll have another. I'll send you another link. That will be hour 2 of Unit 1. Okay. If you don't have any other questions or doubts, we can wind up. That's all. Finished for today. Yes. Right. Thank you very much. Bye bye.